Even though we love synthetic wigs for their easy maintenance and built-in style, there are many versatile looks you can create by using a few simple techniques. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to change up your look on any curly synthetic style, and also how to bring it back to its original look. If you want to create a softer look to your curls, gently use your paddle brush to soften the shape and then use some holding spray to set the look. To create a more defined textured look, use flexible spray gel or piece out contour fiber creme. The best way to apply either of these products is to apply a small amount into the palm of your hand and then apply to the fiber. The flexible spray gel will give a more wet, defined look, where the piece out contour fiber creme offers a more matte, piecey finish. Now to bring the curls back to their original look, mist the fiber with a little bit of water. Use your wide tooth comb to comb through the hair and use your fingers to help shape the curls back to their original shape. Lastly, here's a quick tip to help keep your curly styles in their best shape. After washing and before you set it to dry, use your fingers to reform the curl. This will help keep the curl pattern and formation of the curls looking fresh longer. I hope this gives you more styling ideas for your synthetic curly styles. In this video, we featured our Kendall wig for her soft, casual waves that allow you to easily change up her look, but you can use these tips and tricks on any of your other favorite curly styles, like January, Julianne, Heidi, or Sarah. Don't forget to subscribe.